Welcome to our channel. Netgear Orbi Tri-Band AC2200 Wi-Fi System Router. Unbox everything. Take the router and the satellite out of the box. You'll also find the power adapters and an Ethernet cable. Keep everything close, don't keep anything aside because you'll need everything comes in a box. Place the Orbi router. Find a good spot near your modem. This router has to connect directly to it, so don't stick it in a far corner. Keep it open, not jammed in behind the TV or inside a cabinet. Connect to your modem. Take the Ethernet cable, plug one end into your modem and the other end into the yellow internet port on the Orbi router. That's the main connection, so double check it clicks in. Power on the router. Plug the router into power. Wait a bit. Give it at least a couple of minutes until the light on top turns solid white and then pulses. That's your sign it's booting up. Place the satellite. Now grab the Orbi satellite. This one doesn't plug into the modem. Put it somewhere central in your home, about halfway between the router and the area you want better Wi-Fi. Power on the satellite. Plug the satellite into a wall outlet. Its light will blink while it's syncing with the router. Don't panic if it takes a few minutes. Solid blue light means it's got a strong link, amber means okay, magenta means move it closer. Download the Orbi app. On your phone, go to the App Store or Google Play and search for Netgear Orbi. Download it. This app makes setup way easier than doing it all on a computer. Create your network. Open the app and follow the prompts. It'll ask you to set up your Wi-Fi name and password. Pick something you'll remember but not something too obvious. Once done, the Orbi reboots with your new settings. Connect your devices. Now grab your phone, laptop, smart TV, whatever. Search for the new Wi-Fi name you just created, type in your password, and connect. Check a web page or stream a video to make sure the internet is live. Check the app for status. Go back into the Orbi app. It'll show you if the router and satellite are online and if everything looks good. From here you can also run a speed test, set up parental controls, or update the firmware if needed. Thank you for watching.